In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can pre-order the iPhone 17. Before we do dive in this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But if you're trying to get any version of the iPhone 17, whether it's the iPhone 17 Pro, the Pro Max, or even the iPhone 17 Air, don't worry, this guide's for you. Now, the best way to actually do this is to open up a web browser of your choice. In this case, we're going to open up Safari, but you could do whatever you would like and just simply search up apple.com just like so and hit enter. It's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. And you can do this on a phone or on your computer. And immediately when you do get to this page, just because the iPhone 17 Pro is brand new, it should pop up. But if it doesn't pop up for you, click on these three lines and select the iPhone section just like so. And from here, you're going to see a bunch of different options. Now choose whatever model you would like for this. It could be the regular 17 or the new 17 Pro or even the iPhone Air if you want to do that one. Essentially, go ahead and select it. In this case, I'm going to do the iPhone 17 Pro. It's going to redirect you to a page that looks like this, and then you'll just be prompted to go ahead and pre-order it just like so. Select pre-order, it'll take you to a page that looks like this. It's going to tell you the rates, it's going to tell you when it's available, and from here, continue through this process, picking out your color, picking out your storage. You can even trade in your old device if you would like. It's completely up to you, but just go through this process and you'll be good to go. You can also do this in an Apple store or within the Apple Store app, which is honestly just a little bit faster if you are signed in, just because it saves your info ahead of time. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. That's how you can go ahead and do this. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.